So, hey everyone, Jofranz here, and andito tayo ngayon sa first highest point. Actually, this was the first highest point here located in Atok, Benguet. Pero now, the new highest point is at Tinoc, Ifugao, and that's actually our goal. So, we departed in La Trinidad around 4:30. So, we have reached here in around 11:30. Pero marami kami kasing commercials. Dami kaming picture taking, marami kaming merienda breaks, marami rin kaming mga drone, aerial. Pag maganda yung landscape, we have some shots. So, I'm actually having this ride with Kelvin and Ariel Jason. So, if you don't know Ariel Jason, I'll leave, you can check his channel here. Here. He also does bike content and some good edits, some good shits edit. Okay, so time check tayo dito, it's actually 12. So we're gonna have a stop over at Buguias. So once we reach Buguias, we're gonna have an overnight. Dun muna kami matulog to. Hindi namin sure kung sa Buguias, Abatan, or baka kung kami matulog sa Mankayan. So kung magmamangkayan pa kami, susulong ulit kami, tapos 10 kilometers na ahon bukas plus another 25 kilometers na ahon sa highest point sa Tinoc. So okay guys, enjoy and see you in a while. Yo, what's up guys? We just arrived here in Mankayan. So it's Taneg, Mankayan. Dito kami, we're gonna spend the night here. Pero wala pa yung contact namin kung saan kami mag-stay kasi we were expecting na mas mauna sila dito sa amin. So almost more than 12 hours kami umapak. Bike plus anong tawag? Bike plus merienda, kain, and tulog. Picture, video. So medyo up ang adrenaline. Pero mamaya sigurado bagsak to. Maaga tayo mag-ride out bukas. Anong oras tayo mag-ride out bukas to Tinoc? 4 o'clock na yan. 4 o'clock. So we ahon tayo tomorrow until papunta sa Mankayan. Ay, sa Mankayan. Ahon tayo tomorrow papunta sa Abatan. Tapos from there, punta na ulit tayo sa Tinoc. So let's rest for a bit. Okay, so that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Todo. Okay guys, so overall the experience was great. Actually,
parang actually parang kulang pa nga yung 2 days para pumunta dito. So problema lang namin ngayon kung paano babalik at uwi. And we learned naman sa past long rides namin na what to prepare, so we have come prepared today, pero parang medyo kulang pa rin. Okay? So if you do not know the place here at Tinoc, Ifugao, lalagpasan nyo pa yung former highest point and dedire-diretso pa kayo hanggang Abatan, tapos susulong kayo to Buguias, Luo, tapos dire-diretso yun hanggang makita nyo yung papuntang Tinoc. So puro sulong kanina yun, so parang sumulong kami ng kalahati ng elevation ngayon. Tas ngayon susulungin na naman namin yung 7,800, 900 and aahon ulit kami, di ba? So yung malupit is talaga mamaya. So there's a descent video. Sana makaabot pa yung battery. I'm gonna leave it here. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And to all cyclists out there, ride safe always and wear proper equipment. See you in the next video.
Ang hangin pa na dito sa taas, guys. Sarap ng hangin. After medyo mas nakakahon. Ayan, reward. Pangin yan. Lalim. Grabe ang hangin. Kahit pagtago ako, nice. Lakas pa rin na hangin. Wind resistance is real, guys. Wind resistance is real. There's around 7 kilometers pa. Tingnan niyo si Jason, oh. Yung buhok niya. Oh, model, oh.